how to use ne in Japanese. So here we have a really useful piece of language that you can use in Japanese to kind of get confirmation about information. Kind of like how you would say right in English. Or isn't it? Hasn't it? That type of thing.
立ったまま寝るのって難しいね。
お化けで思い出したけど、この神社にはお墓がないのよね。不思議。
お墓があるのはお寺だと思うけど。
それは見解の相違ね。
So perhaps this is information that both parties know and you're just wanting to get confirmation. You could put ne at the end of the sentence in order to express this checking and confirmation of information.
じゃあ、ザックス、後でね。
やっと会えたね、母さん。
うわー、すごいね。
Like here in Judgment, it's been a long time, hasn't it? So, ohisashiburi desu. It's been a long time. Ne. Right. So it's been a long time, hasn't it? Here, this is information that both parties are aware of. It has been a long time since they last met. And so he's getting that confirmation. It's kind of checking, like, it's been a while, huh? It's been a while, right?
お久しぶりですね、八神先生。
Or like here in Bravely Default 2, you guys are really strong, huh? And so here sometimes you can see the nuance is a little bit different. It's not so much you guys are strong, right? In English, that kind of sounds like you're not sure that they're strong. Here it's actually mutual information that both parties are aware of. So just be careful about that. Sometimes the word right can be used differently in English. Here I like to translate this as more like a huh in this situation. You guys are really strong, huh? Or like, you guys are really strong, aren't you? That type of thing.
本当に強いのですね、あなたたち。
Or like here, checking if you're still in the middle of work.
今はお仕事中ですね。
Or like here in Star Ocean 2, clearly it's become quite late. So, osoi desu ne. It's quite late, huh?
もう夜も遅いですね。変な話をしてすみませんでした。
はあ、かっこいいね。母さんは優れた能力と知識でこの星の支配者になるはずだった。けどあいつらが、何の取り柄もないあいつらが母さんからこの星を奪ったんだよね。
And so normally this ne is seen at the very end of a sentence. Even if you were speaking in polite speech, you would say something desu ne. However, you do see ne being used at the beginning of a sentence as well. But this is actually a different piece of grammar. This ne is used to grab someone's attention, kind of like a hey.
ねえ君、今日は博物館の展示を見ていく？ねえ。夏休みになるべくお金を使わずに遊ぶ方法って何があるだろう？
So ne is a pretty straightforward piece of language. You just put it at the end of a sentence in order to kind of get confirmation about some sort of information. And generally both parties are aware of that information, or at least it's assumed to be the case. And you can see it translated like right, isn't it, wasn't it, or even huh. Oishii ne. It's delicious, huh? Tanoshii ne. It's fun, right? Mo tabeta ne. You've already eaten, right? Information that both parties are assumed to be aware of, and it's just getting that kind of confirmation. So thanks so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave a like and a comment. And if you really enjoy these videos, then consider supporting the channel through either the Game Gengo website or through Patreon. I got a lot more coming. Hope you're having fun learning Japanese. Thanks for watching. And as always, I'll see you again in the next video. See you guys.